Crafting Divas, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm bringing you a challenge slash collab slash challenge slash collab. And a group of us crafters, artisans got together. Some of the ladies involved are actual artists. Me, I'm just more of a crafter and a doodler kind of a thing. But some of these ladies are real, honest to goodness, artisans. So in order to kind of all be able to do the challenge, we kind of just did it so that we picked the mediums and then applied it to whatever our specific skill is. So we were allowed to use 3 colors, which is white, gold, and blue. We were to include a water scene. We were to include 1 animal and a weird texture. So these are the things that I've put together for my mixed media. I don't know, mixed media, whatever it winds up being. I think it's going to be like a board to make into 2 or 4 tags. So the first thing I have is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow that's gold. So this is going to be my gold. And I'm going to use this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it is a clear acetate stencil with little holes. And my Distress ink as my texture. It's not really a weird texture technically, but I didn't really have anything on hand to create weird texture with off the top of my head, because I've kind of packed up my craft room a little bit since I'm going through and cleaning it and organizing it. So I'm just going to substitute that. And of course this is white, so it's kind of both. This is going to be my base, so this is what I'm going to be creating on, which is just a piece of cardstock, and it's a piece of junk packaging. Here is my blue, which is a napkin. Here is my 1 animal. So yeah, probably the smallest one. And here is my water scene. So I'm not sure how I'm going to incorporate this water scene with this giant bird, but there we go. So if you want to stay tuned with me and figure out what I'm going to put all this together and see what I come up with, make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see where it is. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Not real happy with this. I thought it was going to be like eyeshadow, but it's like tacky, so it's I needed something else to make it stick, and I didn't want to fuss with it too much because it's glitter, and as we all know, as much as I love glitter, glitter sticks to everything, and then you can't get rid of it for days and or weeks. So I like the way this came out. I used the water scene, I guess, as a background instead of making it like a focal point. It doesn't even look like there was kayakers on there. This would be like a good what they call masterboard, and I really like it. So from this point I could continue to add stuff to it, but since I'm going to try to stick with the challenge items, this is what I have. I did do a little bit different because I have more than one animal, but I'm counting it as one because one, they came as a set and they're all birds. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed me putting together this little mixed media project. I will link the channels below who participated in the challenge. And until next time, bye.